How to promote your affiliate links in Pinterest.com. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can promote your affiliate links using Pinterest.com. And in today's video, we're going to make this tutorial by choosing the niche of photography, equipment, and accessories. So we're going to work on photography, equipment, and accessories niche in today's video. So the first step is look for a picture or a post that you can repost on your Pinterest.com, and you can add to that post your affiliate link. So let's see if we can find a post about a product like this one, which is from Amazon.com. You can search as if you can find anything else like this one. Also, it's from Amazon.com. Let's see. You just look to find a product. So this is just an example, guys. You can always be creative, make a video, or if you can't make a video, you can just take the video from TikTok and re-upload it on your Pinterest. So I'm just going to download this image and I'm going to go to Amazon.com, and I'm going to take the name of this product, search for it. I'm just going to click on the link. Let's close this one. So here it is. This is our product, the product that we have its picture in here. So this is product. I can see the price of this product. It's currently unavailable. So let's check if we can find another product. So this one is unavailable at the moment. So let's see if we can find something else. Let's see. Just keep looking until you find another product. So just keep looking, guys. Make sure to choose some good videos or a good image or a post. Let's select this one, this camera. I think we can find something like this on Amazon. So let's copy its name. And let's go to find it on Amazon. Type the name on the search bar. I think this is it. Let's check again. Yeah, this is it. Yes, this is it. Let's click on it. So it's just one left in the stock. So we're going to work on this one. So let's download this image. Download image. We click on create. We open a new tab. We go to that new tab to create our post. Create new. Drop the picture. Let's add a title. Let's just copy it from here. Copy. And let's type it here. Okay, that's good. Let's take the description also. Copy. And let's type it here. Then let's take our link from Amazon, the link that leads to this page. We click on text, and this is the link. We copy the link and we drop it here. And here, guys, make sure to select a lot of tags, because the tags is the main reason that makes the post go viral and make the post show up to a lot of people. So we want a lot of people to see our post, and eventually some of them going to click on our link and buy the product, and by that we will get our commission. So make sure to choose as much tags as you can: photography, pictures, pictures, anything related to our niche. Let's select it. Art, let's select anything related to photography, nature photography. So select as much tags as you can. So I think you get the idea, guys. So when you are done from your tags, you scroll up to see if everything is good. You check the title, description, link, and your tags. Then you hit publish, and your post will be published right now. So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you find it useful. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and share the video with your friends.